The all-new Brinkley Model Z 3100 mid-size luxury fifth wheel is in a class of its own. Gone are the swirly RV exteriors from 20 years ago. Inspired by luxury sports cars, Brinkley's sleek, modern signature styling is further enhanced by our industry-first frameless Euro windows. Rear storage compartment makes for over 130 cubic feet of exterior storage. Everything you need in one centralized location, Brinkley's on-command utility center contains electric dump valves, easy fill and winterization, auto black tank flush, and a massive retractable 65-foot hose. H-rated 16-ply Cooper tires with 17.5-inch custom aluminum luxury wheels. The Brinkley comes with drop-down aluminum steps, a telescoping grab handle you can reach from the ground, makes entry even easier for all guests that can't be flipped over at the entry door, locking someone inside. Brinkley has an automotive front cap lens that protects the vibrant LED accents. It also has two huge awnings with LED settings. This is a floating dinette table that maximizes legroom. That bench acts as an ottoman with storage underneath, with reclining theater seating with wireless charging. This is a 72-inch tri-fold sofa with Scotch Guard protection, and a fireplace with 5,000 BTU electric heat, along with entertainment television equipped with a 50-inch smart TV. Beautiful solid surface island kitchen, dual pull-out trash bins. Brinkley uses no staples or putty, real wood with higher quality construction without seeing hundreds of staple holes covered by putty. Each 16 cubic foot energy efficient 12-volt fridge, along with a gigantic 84-inch pantry with adjustable shelving. Maximize space, check out this hidden silverware drawer. Check out this cool feature with the pull-out pet dishes. The washroom comes with a solid surface vanity and recessed cabinets, glass shower door with indirect light, along with a bathroom linen closet. The Brinkley comes with a 79.5-inch bed and bathroom ceiling height, along with a 70 by 80-inch king bed, a beautiful bedroom dresser with entertainment on top. A walk-in closet completes a residential feel in the bedroom and allows you to take all layers of camping adventures. In the closet space beside it, there's also hookups for a stackable washer-dryer. A cool bonus sliding dresser top with hidden storage. So do you think you can camp in this? Let me know in the comments.